Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy you joined me here today. I've got an 18-inch by 18-inch canvas and I've got some really beautiful colors. I'm doing a Dutch pour. Let's go see what happens. All right, so I have flooded the canvas with just plain Artist Loft, Floetrol and water, a little bit of water to get it going. And here are my colors. Some beautiful gold. Black. I think this is going to turn out really beautifully. I love these colors. And this is like a metallic pearl white type of color. Oops. All right, there we go. Very light. I'm going to do that again down the middle because I'm not sure that I put enough color. I'm going to do that again. Not too much black because that's pretty strong. And I had a lot of paint below, so this pearl kind of got lost. So here we go. Wow, that is beautiful. I'm going to take you down for a closer look. Here it is up close. Wow, look at this beautiful color. This is not focusing. There, look at that. Oh, it is just gorgeous. Wow. You can see other videos of mine. I have the link above now for other fluid pours and Dutch pours. So take a look at those. And by the way, my art is available for sale if you're interested. Just look in the description area below and you can have the contact details there. Wow. These are the colors that I used. It is a pearl from Craft Smart, Folk Art Inca Gold, and a Liquid Text Mars Black, the Artist Loft, and Floetrol. And that's what I used. Yeah, that's gorgeous.